So this is a demonstration of how you could use GPTfy and AI to look at products and make product recommendations on deals. So I am on an opportunity, and what you will notice here is that this opportunity has some information. This is energy farm, and this customer is looking for remote operation and monitoring systems. If I go to related records, you would see that there are some products associated as some contactor coil and some other products for this deal. So what other products can be recommended to this customer? This is particularly important if you are in industrial engineering or other areas where there is a lot of product complexity and also where people come and go. If you have a high churn and bringing a new rep up to speed can be difficult. So on this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to run this prompt called deal upseller. And what deal upseller is going to do is it's going to look at the opportunity, the products associated with it, and on the prompt for it, I have made some recommendations. If the customer is trying to do this, then here are some of the products we should recommend. And what you see here is that GPTfy has pre-existing prompts, and this is optimized so that your end users don't have to learn prompt engineering. So I selected deal upseller, I clicked run GPTfy, and we are getting this response. And interestingly, in this response, you can say it's looking at what are the existing products, and you can see these are the two, and it's looking at what are the problem that the customer is trying to solve. And after looking at that, it knows that if you are looking at a remote operation and monitoring, these are the two category of products that we sell in that space. And it's giving you the logic so that the rep can understand why it makes sense to position these products to this particular customer. So if I go into what happened under the hood, let me show you the prompt that we are using, because it's a good way to understand how easily you can write prompts which can address fairly complex use case. So it's really plain English here, and we are just saying that, hey, if someone's using remote operation and monitoring, then here are the two devices that you can recommend, which is what I recommended. So that's a really simple example of stuff like this, where we can just create some prompts, offer some information, and AI can do all of this magic. GPTfy lets you do this. It lets you create these kind of prompts, and it lets you securely extract data required for this. So as you can see, this is my prompt on the left, and you can see I have all of these objects from which I'm pulling data. So GPTfy is actually quite good at very easily configuring it and asking for specific data to be sent to AI, and everything happens under the hood. So that's the bottom line on something like this. You can benefit from this and leverage it to get information on your opportunities and whatnot. So that's all I wanted to share today. I hope this is useful. Thank you so much.